Hello, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is OOPS, that is Object Oriented Programming Language. Uh, OOPS concept is OOPS. There are four main pillars of OOPS concept, that is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction, as well as class and object. Java follows object-oriented programming language means object-oriented means the codes are written using methods as well as classes, whereas in C or C++ language there is no need to create class or method in order to write code, but as Java is object-oriented, so it requires classes to write the code inside it. Now we will discuss the features of OOPS concept one by one. First one is class and second one is object. Class is the collection of data and collection of variables and methods. Class doesn't take any memory space, and it is the logical quantity. It is the blueprint. Next one is object. Object is nothing but the instance of class. It is the physical quantity. Now the next one is inheritance. There are in total four types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. In single inheritance, there is only one superclass. There is only one superclass and one subclass. This superclass is also called child class, whereas superclass is also called as parent class, and subclass is also called as child class. With the help of your keyword extend, subclass extends all the properties and features of superclass. Now the next one is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, there is only one superclass and multiple subclasses. We can one subclass extends the properties of superclass. Then subclass 2 extends the properties of sub1 class, that is it inherits the properties of subclass as well as superclass. Now the next one is multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, but it supports two interfaces. And the next one is hierarchical inheritance, where many subclasses directly inherit the properties of single superclass. Now the next one is polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism happens within before the compilation is done, whereas before the compilation is done, constructor overloading is possible within the runtime polymorphism, whereas within compile time polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism consists of method overloading and method overriding, where in method overloading, same method of having same class having method of same name but with different parameters, whereas in method overriding, child class and super class having the same method name and only the if we call this method subclass, then only the subclass method gets executed. Now the next one is abstraction. Abstraction is possible through abstract class and abstract class and abstract class as well as okay. Now in abstract class there are abstract methods. In abstract there are abstract methods. By default, if any method is abstract, then we have to declare this class as abstract class. Now the next feature of the OOPS is the these are the features of OOPS. Thank you.